Indoda eneminyaka ema-27 ubudala isagadwe emapholisa esibhedlela ngemva kwesehlakalo sayizolo ekuseni. Indoda le idunyuzwa yalinyazwa ngemva kokurhitshana nabogadi. Kutholakele iphethe izinto okukholakala bona izebile kuba lahlangana incwadi ethileko ne-flash drive. Bekube nje akwaziwa ukuthi indoda le ingene njani emakhiweni we-SABC.
We have inspected. There are a number of things that security that were not in compliance with, of which I'm not going to talk about them now. But the general and the management of SABC here in Bloemfontein will work on them, including our team.
Amapolisa aphenya icala lokulinga ukubulala elimayelana nogadi odumuzo umsolwa.
There must be a case open so that investigation can prove if that was in self-defense or any crime has been committed. So even in this incident, there was a requirement that we must adhere in accordance with what law prescribed.
We have provided him with the lawyer, SABC lawyer, and we are going to respect the investigation. The investigation must take its course in that regard.
Ama-Hawks aphenya amacala ukwephula umakhiwo webhizinisi ungena ngaphandle kwemvumo ukuthusela kunye nokoniwa kwempahla. I-SABC ithi izokunikela abongazimba abathindekileko isizo lokuthi bathotshwe umkhumbulo kuba lahlangana izisebenzi kunye nabogadi. Begodu ithi izokwenza ngakho konke okusemandleni ukukhandela izehlakalo ezinye ezifana nalezi.